Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to download and install the Far Cry 4 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. Now from here, just click on the search box and type in Far Cry 4 and start your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and you will be shown the game's detail. And you can also watch the trailer. Then if you scroll down, you will see the various different editions that you can buy of the game. Just tap on the Add to Cart button, and then you can click on View My Cart, and then continue forward to your payment. If you have not added a payment method to your account yet, you can just choose from the payment methods that are available. If you choose PayPal, you can continue forward with the Continue button, and click on the PayPal button to log into your PayPal account. After logging in using your credentials, you can authorize your payment and the game will be added to your library right away. From there, you can choose your install directory and a shortcut will be created on your desktop as well. And after this, you can start enjoying the Far Cry 4 game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Far Cry 4 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.